In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales forecast in Genspark with AI Sheets. First, open Genspark and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, head to AI Sheets. This is where we'll work with your data directly and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Load your sales data into AI Sheets by importing your file or connecting to your source. As you bring it in, make sure your columns are clearly labeled, especially dates, product names, quantities, and revenue. Clean headers and consistent date formats will help the model read the data accurately. Now ask Genspark to analyze the data and create a sales forecast. You can type a clear instruction like, analyze this data set and generate a sales forecast. And if you want, specify a time horizon such as the next quarter or year. The AI will scan your history, detect seasonality, and project forward. If your dataset includes multiple products or regions, mention that you'd like the forecast broken down the same way so it mirrors how you manage your business. When the results appear, take a moment to review the patterns, trends, and projections it generates. Look for seasonality cues like recurring peaks and dips, and note any acceleration or slowdown in growth. Pay attention to confidence ranges if provided, and skim any explanations or annotations highlighting anomalies, promotions, or unusual periods the model detected. This context helps you understand not just the numbers, but the story behind them. Next, ask follow-up questions to refine the forecast by period or product. For example, you might say, show me a monthly forecast for the next 6 months for our top product, or break down the next quarter by product category. You can zoom into weekly granularity if your business needs it, or narrow the focus to one product line to understand its unique trajectory. Use simple, direct prompts so the AI adjusts the forecast to your preferred view. After refining, check the forecast output and compare it with your source data. Confirm that recent historical totals align with what you uploaded and see whether the projected growth rates make sense relative to your past performance. If your last holiday season was unusually strong, verify that the model reflects that pattern this year. Make small prompt tweaks if something looks off, then recheck. Finally, save or export the final forecast report. Choose a format that fits your workflow, such as a spreadsheet for further analysis or a PDF for sharing. Give the file a clear name and store it with your data sources for easy reference, but that's it. You've used Genspark and AI Sheets to build a clear, data-driven sales forecast.